Hey, this is Mr. Ng going over the Flipped Classroom Chapter 4B. This is also during my paternity leave, March 2019. Hi Precalc students, watch this video, which I'm currently recording, to start. Just me reading this paper and giving examples of what to do. We will be utilizing the teaching strategy of the flipped classroom for Chapter 4B, graphing trig functions, for two reasons. Number one, to see how the flipped classroom is a future way of learning. You can click on that and watch a 4-minute video, what is the flipped classroom. We've already talked about that in class, and this is also during my paternity leave. I did not want to waste any precious learning time, so I'm leaving the learning and hard work up to you. I plan on being on paternity leave to see my new baby girl be born during spring break, and I could be gone for 5 to 10 school days. Notice all the practice and learning is up to you. Why? I wanted you to learn graphing trig functions while I'm gone. To access the links below, make sure to be signed into your AUHSD Gmail account. Each day will look the same. Roman numeral 1. Before class, you need to do some homework. So complete the Chapter 4B homework by watching and taking notes. So if you click here, this Google document will be a physical copy given to you, and it looks like this. And it's kind of big. There's 4 pages, and that's why there's a table of contents. And you can just come down here. And on the first day, you just write the date, the first day I'm gone. These packets should be being passed out to you. If not, hopefully I've shown you in class. And then you need to, for homework, in order to get a homework stamp, homework number 1, you need to complete Roman numeral 1 to Roman numeral 1, 5. So basically you have to watch 5 videos. So let's scroll down, and you have to write Roman numeral 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're gonna have to copy these 5 videos. So if you open them, either you have access to this Google Doc, or you can just type in that link.
Alright, let's go ahead and fill this up.
And you just copy this down as if you were taking notes. Right, so basically this is what your notes should look like when they're done. Hey, go away. How do you make it go away? And you should title your own notes on your own pieces of paper. Precalc notes, and then I have Roman numeral and then 1, because that was the video. And then you copy it, and then you write a page number at the bottom. And then you watch the second one. Come over here, you've completed it. Check there. And that was on page 1 of your notes. And then you go and watch Roman number 1, video number 2. Click on it. And then this is what my second one looks like after clicking on that video. Take the notes on your own piece of paper, and then page number 2. And then when you're going there and you're finished with it, put a check mark, and then put page number 2, and then you click on the third one, and so on until you finished the first 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you're finished with that, you get a homework stamp from the teacher, and then you go on to these next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then when you finish, it'll tell you, you must finish homeworks 1 and 2, so these 2 to get 2 stamps, before attempting the worksheet called classwork number 1. And then you can click on this worksheet. This is a physical piece of paper that was given to you. So this is now kind of like your practice. This is what you need to complete in class. You can work with pairs or groups of 4. I only have answer keys. There are no video solutions for these. And then when you're finished with that, go up to the teacher to get a stamp to show them. And this one tells you you must finish homework 1 and 2 before attempting the worksheet, which I just showed you, and it's worth 2 stamps. You'll get a stamp here, here, and also on the worksheet itself. and then you can look at the answer key to make sure you were correct. So once you're done with that, then you come over here, then you're going to go on complete homework number 3. Roman numeral 2-1 to Roman numeral 2-3. So then you can get down there by skipping the pages to the Roman numerals. So watch that video, check it off. Write a page number at the bottom, right there. Copy that example, and it tells you the time length. Watch it, and then you need to watch. You need to complete the first 3 of those, so they might be kind of long. 5 minutes, 2 minutes, and 3 minutes, and then you can get a stamp. So it is possible in one night you might just like copy all of these down and then get a bunch of stamps. Or maybe you had a game and you need to take a break or whatever it is, you can do it. In class you can also get those done as well. So make sure you have your own device and your headphones. And then so on this 4.4 there are 3 worksheets. Classwork number 1, classwork number 2, and it tells you how many stamps. So classwork number 2, you have to finish homeworks 3 to 6. So finish all of these, take notes for all of those, and then I've given you an attached packet and it looks like this. Fill all of that out, graph it. Again, you're graphing trig functions by hand here. And then when you're done, show the teacher. And this one was worth 3 stamps for that classwork. 1, 2, 3 up here. And then classwork number 3 in the attached packet. And then this one's a little bit different. Classwork number 3, you need to complete classwork number 3, complete last year's quiz, do this first before you actually do the homework. So it's just taking the quiz, like take it in class, take it at home, wherever. I've given you a copy of this. Actually take it, actually do it, try it yourself, right? Work out the problems here. Whoops, what happened? And then once you're finished, you get the stamp for just completing it. And then, so do that. The classwork is to do the quiz, and then afterwards, homework number 8. So you're going to do this before, then you do homework 8. Homework 8, complete last year's quiz correction. So then you're going to have to go on my website, find the video, and then from there, you're done. And then probably a day of catch up, and then after that, I'll give you guys a quiz. And that's how you do your paternity pack when I'm gone. With the classroom model for chapter 4B. Good luck.